511, a reliable name in the tactical gear and gadget section, isn't famous for nothing. Their top-of-the-line quality, durable performance, and unmatched convenience on the battlefield make them quite a dependable choice, not only for a military person, but for other rough users too. So lean back, relax, and enjoy our video on the 10 best 511 tactical gear and gadgets you should check out in 2026. First, we have this Covert 18 2.0 backpack to keep everything organized during any tactical operation. Constructed from the rugged fusion of 500D and 840D nylon, this 32-liter stronghold is more than meets the eye. Within its unassuming exterior lies a haven for a 15-inch laptop, showcasing its tactical tech prowess. But it's not just about screens. The Covert 18 2.0 is a master of concealment. With a concealed shove-it compartment, it grants instant access to vital gear, a secret weapon against the unexpected. We know that the design of the backpack might not give a vibe of any typical backpack. In our opinion, this one's much like a shadow. It shadows, a sentinel of strategic design, tailing its user's trajectory with utmost precision. In a world where mastery of concealment is the key, this tactical backpack is a silent sentinel par excellence. Next on the list, we have the Prime Plate Carrier, a ballistic plate carrier designed for unyielding adaptability and mission-centric versatility. From covert operations to high-intensity scenarios, this modular plate carrier stands as a paragon of strategic preparedness. Seamlessly transitioning from a discreet, low-profile configuration to a full-throttle tactical loadout, it's the ultimate companion for every mission. The adjustable shoulder straps, meticulously engineered for low-profile comfort, ensure unhindered movement in the heat of action. As you don the carrier, the interior's thoughtful padding provides an oasis of comfort and breathability, making endurance a tactical advantage. But it's the flex hook adapters that seal the deal, bestowing you with a tactical edge adaptable to any exigency. These adapters metamorphose your setup, ensuring the perfect configuration for every challenge encountered. The Evo boots from 511 are a perfect pair of tactical boots for any tactical operation. Its tactical prowess, engineered to surge through challenges with unparalleled speed, unwavering stamina, and unfaltering traction, specifically for the hot and arid operational environments. Crafted for the elite, these boots redefine tactical performance. The fusion of nubuck, suede, and leather not only exudes durability, but ensures resilience in the face of adversity. With side-zip access, donning and doffing becomes seamless, a crucial asset when time is of the essence. A 14mm heel-to-toe drop guarantees dynamic response, a hallmark of these sturdy tactical boots. Equipped with a D30 D-cell heel cushion and ortholite insole, they provide unparalleled comfort, even during prolonged missions. The oil and slip-resistant outsole ensures traction is never compromised, even on the slickest surfaces. If that Covert 18 backpack is too small for your needs, then this Daily Deploy 48 pack will meet your expectations. From adept professionals requiring essential gear on the job to the ordinary citizens seeking a versatile get-home or grab-and-go companion, this pack rises to every occasion. Built for comfort and stability, the yoke shoulder strap system ensures fatigue is the last thing on your mind. The clamshell opening guarantees swift access to the main compartment, complete with a zippered mesh divider for organizational finesse. A dedicated rear compartment stands ready to house your laptop, tablet, or hydration system, reflecting its adaptability for diverse scenarios. When the situation demands swift readiness, this tactical marvel proves its mettle, serving as the ally you can rely on. Next on the list, the TPT L2 251 flashlight emerges as the beacon of tactical excellence, purpose-built to thrive in the most demanding patrol environments. Crafted from a rugged blend of water and impact-resistant PC ABS polymer composite, it stands as an embodiment of unwavering durability, a steadfast ally against the odds. With a staggering 3.5 hours of runtime in high mode, the TPT L2-251 unleashes an astonishing 251 lumens of light. Its tactical beam, characterized by a brilliant hotspot and expansive corona, extends a strategic advantage by delivering unmatched target acquisition precision and exceptional peripheral vision. When darkness descends, this tactical flashlight illuminates your path with a luminance that defies obscurity. With a blend of resilience, power, and precision, it's the embodiment of tactical supremacy in your grasp. Illuminate the path to triumph with the TPT L2-251 and let your tactical journey shine brighter than ever before.
The 511 Kodiak Pant 2.0 is a tactical pant that has been improved based on feedback from end users. This updated iteration of the Kodiak Pant boasts a synergy of durability and lightweight comfort, forging a tactical powerhouse that stands as a testament to continuous improvement. Crafted from the original 511 tactical pant's lightweight cotton, the Kodiak Pant 2.0's innovation shines through its robust enhancements. Nylon 6 pocket reinforcements elevate its ruggedness, ensuring that your gear remains secure no matter the terrain. The cleaner, more refined leg opening adds to its durability, epitomizing form-meeting function in the world of tactical wear. Designed with precision, these pants ensure comfort through its self-adjusting, comfort waistband with 7 belt loops. An arsenal of 8 pockets, including dual mag pockets in the back yoke seam, guarantees tactical efficiency. The articulated knee offers an ergonomic fit, while extra-heavy 5-thread construction and bar tacking at key stress points defy wear and tear. The double-duty TDU belt that thrives in the tactical arena, offering an agile blend of adaptability and efficiency. With a reversible dual-layer design, it showcases 2 distinct color options, rendering it a versatile tool for any mission. Crafted from heavy-duty nylon, it defies wear and tear, fortified with 5 rows of stitching for unwavering stability. The micro-adjustable non-metallic buckle ensures both tactical utility and metal detector friendliness. For those seeking tactical versatility that doesn't compromise on durability, the double-duty TDU belt stands ready to redefine your gear setup. Remember to size up by 2 from your pant size for the perfect fit. Gear up and conquer any tactical mission with the 511 AT non-zip boot. It is the perfect footwear for outdoor enthusiasts who want to tackle rugged terrain and harsh weather conditions. Made from durable leather and nylon upper, these boots are abrasion and water resistant, ensuring your feet stay dry and protected in wet or muddy environments. The high traction outsole provides excellent grip and stability on uneven surfaces, while the breathable and moisture-wicking lining keeps your feet comfortable and cool all day long. Its multi-directional tread pattern provides proper traction on any surface. The Ortholite insole provides cushioning and support, reducing fatigue and preventing foot injuries during long treks. With its convenient lace-up closure, the AT non-zip boot ensures a customized and secure fit that stays snug on your feet, even during the most challenging outdoor activities. Whether you're hiking, camping, or enjoying the outdoor great, these boots are a reliable and versatile choice to keep your feet protected and comfortable all day long. The 511 Tactical Maverick Battle Belt is the ultimate belt system for any outdoor enthusiast or tactical operator. Made from durable and rugged nylon construction, this belt is designed to withstand the toughest outdoor conditions. Its dual-layer design provides superior stability and support while keeping your gear organized, accessible, and secure. The belt has a variety of attachment points, including MOLLE webbing, allowing for easy customization of your gear setup. The integrated suspender system provides additional support and comfort during long hikes or missions. The low-profile design minimizes bulk and interference, and the quick release buckle allows for easy on and off. Whether you're a hiker, camper, or tactical operator, the Maverick Battle Belt is a must-have for anyone who needs a reliable and customizable belt system for their outdoor activities or missions. The Rapid 1AA tactical flashlight is an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast or tactical operator for its durability, versatility, and tactical capabilities. With its 3 different mode settings, including high, low, and strobe light, This flashlight is versatile and perfect for any situation. Powered by 2 AA batteries, which are included, this flashlight provides up to 179 lumens of visible light up to 76 meters. Its improved anodized grip and switch timing make it easy to handle and operate. This flashlight is also waterproof with an IPX7 rating, as well as tough enough to withstand a 2-meter drop test. The Cree XP-G3 LED provides clear and bright illumination, making it perfect for navigating dark trails or finding your way around. Overall, the Rapid 1 AA tactical flashlight is a reliable and versatile tool that is sure to be a valuable addition to your gear collection. So that was our video on the 10 best 511 tactical gear and gadgets you should see. Let us know your favorite pick in the comment section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.